Okay.
Sandy, 17 boys out, coding. 17 boys. 17 boys. 2 vehicle, 1181, negative, or actually 180 is in the log. I'll be in India and I'll be in route to log 637.
50 out of 30, the four Juvies have been retrieved from the house.
450. Copy the Juvies. Deputies are still inside. Juvies have been excreted.
And again, just verifying we did get all 4 children out of the residence. The residence is clear. The only uncleared space in this location is the garage.
Confirm. Go ahead, Asher.
Go to the location of that last call.
It's going to be 100 West Valley. Prior to 805. He went back inside and closed the door.
Do you have any vehicle description?
It was a black sedan with heavy front light damage.
North on 15 to the east on 18.
The guys in the back door.
17 boys coming in to this, I'll be in to that.
21Z97.
I'm coming, he's in the back door.
It's a motorcycle.
X-ray, off the wheel. No deputies here.
North on 15 to the east on 18.
Shot fired, no bases.
Second shot fired.
Hey, well, let's just have everybody pull back towards positions of cover. We'll monitor the perimeter. Let's just hold until we can get more resources here.
That's, yeah, I think we can, yeah. I don't know how well we can see through that screen door. Danny? Hold on 1 second.
Copy, he's in and out of the house. Blue shirt and blue shorts.
Master 1, it does appear that he's actively using narcotics right now.
Actively using narcotics.
He's opening the residence door.
He's opening the residence door. Watching tonight.
Master 1, he's standing at the threshold of the door.
10-4.
Instructor come out of the house.
Copy, somebody's coming out of the house.
Second time.
Okay, we copy 1,000 feet and extending to the east. We're picking up off the pad now. We'll be in our chief. Can you just give me the numbers on Leland?
Yeah, the numbers on Leland are 950.
Victor, let's just talk, man, come on. Can we just come out so we can talk? It's a Friday night, man. Come on. Victor. Yeah, just look at less people. Hey, we got any less people? Hey, man, don't do it. Don't point, man. Yeah. Shot fired! Front door! I found the front door! Get back! Front door! He's at the front door! Hold! Josh, you ready? Guns down, move! Get out of the way. I got door. I got door. All right, hold, that's it. Hold, that's it. All right, hold. Hey, someone check his pulse, start doing vitals. Everyone clear out, secure the scene, please. I'll check pulse. Toronto, back.
You were given the description of him. I copied a 30-year-old. I copied the clothing. And just 10 minutes his race for me.
HM, about 5'8". Come in at
He's back outside.
1,600 above me, and then when you guys get on scene
Copy
and you
outside
got
in
it
front
in
one.
sight, I'll depart whatever direction is convenient for you.
Copy 1,600. We're departing the base now.
This is the front door, has the guy in his hand, back inside.
Back inside.